The PS4 Slim power supply unit has exploded or a critical component has failed, and we're going to fix that right now. This video is your definitive guide to resolving PS4 Slim power supply issues caused by component failure. First, we need to safely disconnect all power from the console. This is crucial to prevent any further damage or electrical shock. Next, carefully open the PS4 Slim casing, being mindful of all screws and clips to avoid damaging the unit. Once open, locate the power supply unit and perform a thorough visual inspection to pinpoint the exact blown component, noting its specifications for replacement. If that first step doesn't clear the error, the issue usually stems deeper in the component itself, which brings us to method 2. Sourcing the exact replacement part and then carefully desoldering the blown component to clean the footprint before soldering the new one firmly. After that, check solder joint integrity and reconfirm component orientation before applying flux remover. If the console still doesn't power on, method 3 involves reconnecting the power supply, connecting the console to power, and observing the power indicator light for any signs of life, listening for unusual sounds, and checking for display output to verify system stability. Finally, method 4 is all about securing the PS4 Slim case, connecting all external cables, and booting up the console normally to test game loading and monitor for any overloads, ensuring consistent power flow for uninterrupted gameplay.